Cocoa lovers, what's up? We're back again, we're baking, and we're still on the upside down cake vibes. So today we'll be making a banana upside down cake. Beautiful. It's gonna be the best of both worlds. What you have in the moist banana bread, and then the upside down the caramel, the bananas, tiny bit of nutmeg, cinnamon. Ah, gorgeousness. So let's get to it. Let's make it happen. First step in baking your upside down cake is we're gonna make the caramel for the bananas. Very easy caramel. We're gonna be using the brown sugar and the butter. That's about it. So take this off the heat now. We're gonna add in the vanilla and a tiny bit of salt right there for the balance, for the kick. Take the baking tray you'll be using for this. In this case, we'll be using this one. And then you can rub some butter, some room temperature butter on the sides. In my case, I used a baking spray on the sides. And then we're gonna be adding the caramel in here. And then order the bananas into a beautiful design, whichever you prefer. So it's your time to be artistic. So take your bananas. We're gonna be needing 3 of the bananas, or whatever you prefer. I'm gonna be using 2, I think. I'm not sure how many I need right now. And then you need 3 for the recipe itself. So for the cake, we need 3 bananas, and then the rest for the top. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have the bananas in the length. Careful not to break your banana. So what we're doing now is we're peeling the bananas so we can add the bananas for the cake batter itself. Add the bananas in there, mash them up. We're gonna mash them up, mash up the place. Now that we have the banana nicely mashed, we're gonna go in and add the eggs and the sugar. So add in the vanilla, the sour cream, and the salt as well right now. And later on we're gonna be adding the dry ingredients. Smells delicious. A hint of cinnamon and cardamom for the kick. Mix till incorporated, and your cake is done. So this is it. Just took the cake out of the oven. We let it rest for 10 minutes, and then now it's time to flip it on over. It's looking gorgeous. Let's cut it up so we can taste it in a few. And now my favorite part, we get to try it out. Beautifully caramelized bananas on the top, soft and moist cake at the bottom, sweet, rich, beautiful hint of chocolate, gorgeous. Try it out, easy, beautiful stuff, make it happen.